This full cover size is 2.4 meter by 9.7 meter. So totally we divided by handles. You can see 1.05. I will show you how to easily open and close. It's very light. So I install the 3mm polycarbonate sheet. This foam manufacturer is firstly it can keep your dust and leaf out safely and at night. If at work, you can still sleep in your work. Thirdly, you can keep your pet and child safety. This is very important. How is easily.